Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to this video review. So today I'm here early in the morning because I was just having my cup of coffee and I realized something. I was thinking about being overweight. I was talking about it with some friends and I know people who really want to lose weight, but they have absolutely no time to work out. They have no time to go to nutritionists or the money for that, but they desperately need to lose weight and really want to as well. So that's why I'm here today, because I already introduced it to them, but I will introduce it to you now. It's called Liv Pure. Liv Pure is a totally great natural supplement that can help you lose a lot of weight without doing much effort, without damaging your health. And basically, this is a supplement that has already proven to be very efficient and really deliver what it promises. So that's why I'm here today. Because yes, I did help my friends out, but I want to help you guys out now. So I will be leaving Liv Pure's official website just below this video in the description box. You see, the manufacturers, they decided that they would only sell Liv Pure on the official website just to keep everything more natural, more safer, and where you can only get the original Liv Pure, okay? So the link for you guys is here. You can check that out after you finished watching this video. Now, lots of people might be thinking to themselves, but what is Liv Pure? What will it do to me? How does it work? All right, it's so simple actually. Guys, scientists discover that, a newly weight gain problem may be due to your liver. So if your liver is not purified, if it's not functioning properly, it will basically help your body to store fats. But that's where Liv Pure comes in. Liv Pure will basically purify your liver, getting rid of any toxins, inflammation, getting rid of any bad bacteria that may be sitting in there, causing it to not function properly. So it will totally detoxify your liver, and it will also detoxify your body, getting rid of inflammation, toxins, any damages that maybe your body has gotten out of chemicals throughout the year. So Liv Pure is a supplement that will detoxify your body and help you to lose weight. It will start to target all the localized fats in your body, like stored fats, mostly around your belly, but of course in your legs and your arms, your thighs, your bums, your hips, anywhere that has stored fats in your body, Liv Pure will be helping it to melt off. You see, Liv Pure has 10 super nutrients, and each and every one of these super nutrients, they have a special role. They will basically put your body into a full fat burning machine mode and help you to totally slim down. So you're going to be shedding off kilos very fast. And this is also a supplement that will increase your immune system, that will increase your disposition and your energy levels, making you feel more energized, making you have the willpower to do your tasks and your hobbies, things that you didn't do before because you totally lacked the energy. So Liv Pure is like the full package, and this is a supplement that, as we speak, is being used worldwide by thousands of people, and it has absolutely zero side effects, making it suitable and safe for anyone to use it, 18 and above, of course. And guys, once you receive your Liv Pure, you have to, you can start using it immediately, but you have to maintain the strict treatment and use it every day. Imagine all these years that you've been overweight. Liv Pure is only like a 5 or 6 months treatment. Imagine in 5 or 6 months, you're gonna be totally slim, completely different person, and you're going to have all your self-esteem and your confidence back. So give it a shot, okay? If you don't like it for whatever reasons, you have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So guys, visit their official website, give it a shot, and I can guarantee you will not regret it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. See you folks next time. Bye.